shovel, long handle, Saxon, fiberglass. Oh, that one's looking pretty good, I reckon. Which one do you reckon would be better for the jumps? This one or that one?
I don't know.
It's currently the best one. This is going to be the weapon of choice for tomorrow. And that is my shoveler. There you go. Nah. I wish. We'll build you a mountain bike jump, I reckon. Let's go.
I kind of like that actually.
That, my friend ain't going everywhere. Remember the magic words? It's not going anywhere. It's going anywhere. It's going anywhere? No, it's not going anywhere. Just pulled up at college, waiting for Cameron to come. He's videoer for today because he damaged his meniscus, so he can definitely not ride. But that's good for me because now I've got someone who can finally shoot me. It's this beat is definitely not your one. Oh no, he's got a hobble. Oh, is this all the clothes that you got to wash?
Yeah.
You can chuck your washing on top of the stand there. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. Oh, it's a cool shirt. I'm surprised I haven't stolen that one from you yet.
For a while. You've worn it before.
Have I actually? Yeah. So today, that's yours.
Gee, thanks.
Yeah, you can wear that and be legit. And then you get to hold that for the rest of the day.
What, just...
Let's go.
Okay.
But what I'm thinking is that there is the landing ramp because it's like long, straight, and like perfect. And then you like turn that into like a bit more of a kick up. Right, so what I reckon is if you set the camera up over there, there's another shovel in the back. Come over and you can do some shoveling.
You're lit, bro. I'm just gonna do my face for a bit. I want some clout, you know. Yeah, follow me. I Doppler. I do video game instead. Cause I kinda have to. Wait, whereabouts? Like.
What's that? Cool. Oh, good stuff still. Trying mountain biking today. Alicia is a very good mountain biker, but this is my trusty steed for today. Like I said, looking good is half the job. Let's go. Oh yeah, we're low riding today. You ready to go? Yeah, let's go. You take the lead. Oh, 2 seconds when we get here. That was gnarly doing that with one hand. Oh, boy. Oh, that was so gnarly. Like holding it like with one hand and like holding it up with that. It's like, oh, out here cruising. You know what time it is? Thursday afternoon, class is done for the day. Basically like I did last week, we're going to the beach, got my ice block, we're gonna do some boogie boarding. My friends are horrible, so let's hopefully get some awesome footage of them crashing. We're taking the blue commie today. But yeah, let's roll, let's start the ice pop cam. Look at him. No, he doesn't even realise it. He doesn't know what car you have. He doesn't even realise it's us. Hey! No, he does now. The mighty Sid is back again.
Fine.
Is it still kicking?
She's still kicking.
Heck yeah.
Fine form.
How long did it take before you realised that was us?
Well, because I was kind of like looking at the water, I was like, it looks pretty nice, and all I see are these cars
Like,
flashing at me. I was
dude,
like,
how
that's
nice
good.
is it actually? That looks so
Fucking nice,
good.
It's so good. It's gonna be big.
It's gonna be big, hey?
On the news?
Oh, helicopter? Yep. So what's the trick of the day? What are you gonna do for me?
I'm gonna try and do a 360.
Sick, 360 no scope. Let's go!
Yeah.
Yeah.
I spent about
Of course you are.
400 in total. Are you?
What, in the last week?
No, yesterday.
At TK Maxx. I love how you spend 400 bucks on clothes and you still wear your like 20-year-old singlet.
I remember when we were back in college, he used to wear that every single day.
Not only singlet up.
Only a bit of clothing.
So, wait, submerged objects.
Only when you get in the water, hey?
Alright. Submerged meatball.
Submerged meatball.
Oh, nice, man.
Mitchell?
Oh my god, it's cold.
Let's go. Bit far to the right. What do you reckon? Is it too dangerous to go swimming today? Yeah. It looks it. Swell's big. There's going to be a lot of wipeouts today on the body surfing front anyway. I reckon we risk it. I reckon we do it. We're going to risk it for the biscuit, I reckon.
Sharks back at Shelley's this morning,
Oh.
so we're just closed all the beaches and just letting everyone know.
Yeah, no, fair enough. Thanks for that. That's, yeah.
I've got extra showers.
Extra shallow, yeah. Oh, good stuff. Thanks.
Thank you, mate.
Jesus, at Shelley's, that's like literally just over there, isn't it? Yeah, well that explains the signs a little bit, doesn't it? My little turtle. Here at Fever Films, we're all about fashion. And Crocs and socks is definitely one way to get that. Okay, is this the new home? It looks super promising from the outside. Let's go. I was in, it's called Mac Workwear, and I was just talking to the sales lady there, and they are actually insane. They, yeah, that's awesome. They were super, super helpful. And I think we've definitely found the home of where all our merchandise stuff come from. So, I mean, if, you know, if they've got a page, Mac Workwear, give it a like. They were really, really helpful, and I will definitely be ordering some soon. So that's it, step 2. Hopefully I can get it out nice and soon, but anyway, I'll keep you posting on that. What are we doing tonight? I know, like when you step on a fake step and it nearly breaks your kneecap is the worst.
Weird people walking in the middle of the island.
Yeah, I know. We're going over there though. Go! Oi, what's going on in here?
Are you keen?
Yeah.
Keen as a bean. This place is actually pretty hardcore. Look at a whole gym section and everything. Oh, I thought I knew this man down here. How you going?
Oh, hey.
The noobs are back.
Yeah.
Trying a bit
I've
of
got
bouldering.
conned into it again. I'm just like, I hate it.
Yeah, our friend Mitch here has just got into bouldering recently. Oh, Mitch, this is Lockie. He's very good. Yeah. This is Matt's mate. These guys go climbing together all the time.
Sick.
These guys will
I've
talk
heard
about.
Mass is an absolute beast, so.
Hey, learn it all from Lockie though. Isn't that right?
I can't believe you can do 9. That's actually insane.
Wait, so what's involved in a warm-up?
Good. I'd take yours off too.
What's
I
that?
scratched the hell out of my watch.
Oh, actually.
Fuck, and then it becomes chalk.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
See where your right hand is? Put your left hand there.
Yeah,
That's it.
let's
Now,
go.
Slowly, slowly your way up.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it.
Oh my god, after that, this is the exercise I've had to resort to. Rock climbing is a lot harder than I thought. Oh. And that's another vlog. Fib Films out. Keep living the dream. Doing what you love. Following your niche. We'll see you guys in another video. See ya.